Okay guys, welcome to a new video. In this video we are going to review the boAT Stone 260. So I recently made a video on boAT Stone 200. You can check the link in the description or click on the eye on the top. And a lot of you guys asked me to review the 260, so here I am with the 260. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So what we actually get in the box is a warranty card. Then we get the ring, a USB cable to charge it up, and a user manual guide. That's pretty much it. So we are going to look into three aspects of the speaker. That is the design, we're going to look into the functionality of the speaker. At the end we are going to look into the sound quality and also give you guys some sound checks at the end. So make sure you stick to the end to get all four aspects of the speaker. So yeah, let's get into it. Now let's talk about the design of the speaker first. So first of all, we have a graphic cloth-like material on the top which houses the speaker inside. Then we have the rubber matte finish kind of look at the end, which has a cool design going around. At the bottom we have the USB charging and a LED indicator. Then we have the microphone, and we have 4 buttons to control the functionality. We'll get into it when we talk about the functions of the speaker. At the top we get a ring which does not come attached to the speaker, but you get it in a separate bag. At the bottom of the speaker we have the padding which keeps the speaker on the table while you're listening to music, and it has some basic model and branding information. Now to talk about the build quality of the speaker, the grill on the front is very fragile. I tried to press it once and it broke. It made a click sound and it broke. So if you have the speaker, don't try pressing it in the center of the speaker. You'll end up breaking up the grill like me. Let's talk quickly about the 4 buttons that we have here. So we have a play button, we have a next track button or the volume up, we have a volume down or previous track, and we have the pairing or turn on button. Now I must say the speaker comes in many other color. Make sure you check the link in the description if you want to go ahead and check those out. And it has pretty much many colors to match your kind of taste. The speaker is quite portable. It weighs around 440 grams, which is heavier than the boAT Stone 200, but although it's very portable. The price of the speaker is 1499 rupees. The Bluetooth range on this speaker appeared to be quite better than the boAT Stone 200, but yeah, it does the job. It's good for a medium or a large size room, and it fills up the room too. We'll get into that when we talk about the sound quality. It came with a 95% battery, and I'd say it will last you around 4 to 5 hours, which is on the product description, and I guess it lives up to that. So it's not waterproof completely. You cannot submerge into water. It can be used in showers or rain, I guess. So that was all about the design of the speaker. Let's get into the functionality of the speaker now. Now when we start to talk about the functionality, the first thing that we need to talk about is the ease of connectivity. So this speaker was very easy to connect, and so when you turn on the speaker you get a message saying that
power on, you've plugged into Nirvana,
which means that it is ready for pairing, and then you can pair your device. And once you pair, you get the message,
you're now connected to boAT Stone 260.
So that's pretty handy. I always like this audio feedback that you get when you're connected. And when you turn off, you also get a message saying
adios amigo, powering off.
So that's pretty handy, and it tells you what's going on. Now sadly there's no aux on this speaker. I don't know why they had to take it off, because the boAT Stone 200, which is cheaper than this, it comes handy. Like when you want to connect it to an older device, you can do that too. So it has one LED which blinks faster when it is not connected to any device, and blinks very slowly when it is connected to any device. There's no NFC on this speaker either. You can only connect one phone at a time, cannot connect 2 of these speakers. Although you can take calls on the speaker, and it is a very nice experience to talk on the speaker because the speaker gets very loud, and the microphone is pretty good at isolating the outside noise. Also you get the ability to change songs or increase the volume or pause from the 4 buttons that are provided. And that was all about the functions of the speaker. So let's get into the last part and the most important part, that is the sound quality. Now the sound quality on this quite surprised me. I was not expecting such a good quality from a 1499 speaker. Now I had tried the boAT Tone 200 and it had some good sound. Now I would say this speaker compared to the boAT Tone 200 is not as loud as that one is, but again that speaker gets distorted completely when it's on max volume, but this one does not distort completely on max volume and it's quite good quality. It has better bass. I would say the bass is more punchy on this one, and it balances all type of audio, and I think the audio quality on this speaker is quite good for what you pay. It is something I would definitely recommend to everyone of you watching this video. And I guess that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any queries related to this speaker or any other speaker that I have reviewed, you can write it in the comment section below and I'll surely reply to you. Bye.